Good morning, everyone. We are the students from St.Andrews High School, Suchitra. I am Nityashri,
And I'm Ananya.
and today we are here to present our project, Biofiltration using algae. We all know the hazardous events that are being caused due to global warming and many other environmental factors. So, as an aim to reduce the impact on the earth as well as combat pollution, we have decided to come up with an innovative solution to filter out the air that is produced in factories. As we all know, it can be harmful and sometimes even injurious to health. So, our project's aim is to ensure that the factory air, when being released, is pure and is breathable and will not affect any organism.
Coming to the working of the model, here we have a small air duct through which the harmful gases will be passed. So inside this we have a fan and we have a bowl over here which will contain the harmful gases. So when we turn on the fan, the hazardous gases will be passed into the chamber. Here we have a small automation which will enable a wall to be lifted up, and the harmful gases will go inside the chamber. And to contain the gases within the chamber, we will shut down the wall once again. Right. So now within the chamber, what we can see here is algae. So the algae here, the species which we're using is called Chlorella vulgaris. So this Chlorella vulgaris is very well known for its ability to thrive in highly toxic environments, and it is also known to filter out air. So it takes in components like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. It takes in the sulfur and nitrogen components of these compounds and utilizes this in the process of photosynthesis. That is why we have a transparent glass shield over here to allow sunlight to enter the chamber so that photosynthesis can take place efficiently. The time interval for one round of filtration is approximately 7 to 8 minutes. So it's it takes very less time, and it is very effective as well. Here we have a chimney, and there's a small opening through which the purely filtered air, which is oxygen, passes through the chimney and upwards. This way, we can ensure that microalgae species like chlorella can thrive and also restore the balance of oxygen within the atmosphere.
Now, it might pose to us as an economical problem since algae can actually be expensive. But we have come up with an innovative solution to combat economic reasons. We decided that Chlorella vulgaris, since it is a very flexible species, can be grown on something called as microalgae plates. These microalgae plates contain a drip irrigation system and also well as thermostats so that they can regulate the temperature as well as provide water effectively so that the algae thrives. This is also cost effective and can be easily replaced whenever the algae starts to die or is ineffective. Since this problem can be combated with such a useful solution, we also prepared a biochamber. This section of the algae is called as a biochamber, and this section will only be required to be installed in the factories where majorly air is released, that is almost all the factories, and as a connectway from the industry through this chamber, and it will be purified in the biofilter before releasing into the chimney.
Thank you for listening to us, and we hope our model finds its place in your CBSE Regional Science Fair, and we hope that we can further take this model to higher levels so that we can combat global ecological crises such as global warming. Thank you.
We thank you for your consideration and hope that this project will be able to reach your desks. We would also like to say that this is a subtopic of waste management, and we hope that it effectively combats environmental issues. Thank you.